Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to contact Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, this is the homepage of Badoo. Right now, let's simply try to contact the customer support in Badoo. Right here, let's go to Profile. The button's right here next to Chat. Simply click on the button right here that says Profile. Once you're in the Profile page, worry not, let's simply go to Settings. The button's on the top right and it's a gear-like icon. Click on it. Then you'll be redirected to the Settings page. Well, there are lots of options like Basic Info, Privacy, Invisible Mode and everything. Let's scroll down till we see something like Feedback. Click on this button right here. Then this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like ask a question about my profile, report a problem, and many more. Select whichever you wish. And once you're in the section, simply write your problem in the chat box. Do note that you can also attach a screenshot from right here. Simply click on this button that says attach a screenshot. Once everything's okay, simply hit on send. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact Badoo. Once you've sent the feedback, you will receive an email in your registered email address like this, and Badoo support will contact you through this medium. Well guys, that's it. That's how we contact Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.